This is the margherita pizza cooked in the Gozney Roccbox. Stick around and find out how this was made. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It's the Pizza Guy John, and if you've seen from my previous video, which I'll link above, I am now using the Roccbox. So today, one of the most searched items with the Roccbox is how to make a margherita pizza. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I have my dough here, which again I will link up above. This dough is a 48-hour cold fermented dough. My toppings that I'm going to be using, I have some fresh mozzarella here that I've sliced into pieces just like that. You can use shredded cheese, but you know, again, the fresh mozzarella will be the best bet. This is around 105 to 115 grams of cheese. Of course, you have to have some fresh basil. This basil is from my garden, nice firm pieces. So again, you want to have some fresh basil here. Some grated Parmesan cheese as well. Nothing out of a bag or anything like that. Again, this is some grated parm. You want to, of course, have your red sauce. These are some Bianco di Napoli tomatoes. And recently, I've been really liking this Grazia oil. And again, you could drizzle this on before or after. I do a little bit of both. So there's that. And of course, you want to have your Roccbox or any other oven basically preheating. It's been preheating now for about 45 minutes to an hour, so we're ready to go. As you want to take a look, here is the dough, and like I said, let's go ahead and we'll get started. And this is about 260 grams, so this will be perfect for a 12-inch pizza. Alright, so here is the margherita pizza that was cooked in the Gozney Roccbox, fresh out of the oven. So we'll go ahead and sprinkle a little bit more Parmesan, and of course you could do a little bit more oil. We'll let this cool and then we'll get a cut into this. We'll be back. Alright, so now that the pizza is cooled down, let's go and take a listen to that crust. Perfect, cooked all the way around. Let's go ahead and get cut into this. If you made it this far, like, comment, and subscribe on my video. Again, it helps me out a lot. Let's take a look at this. Nice cooked all the way around. Let's take a look at that bottom. Cooked perfectly. Go ahead and let's get a bite. This pizza is very good. Again, nice, crispy. Taste the freshness from the basil. Just a perfect margherita pizza cooked in the Roccbox. Again, if this is something you like, comment, subscribe, check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk there.